how to get the Microsoft Loop desktop app. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Microsoft Loop desktop app. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop. Once you're there, right-click on any empty space. A menu will pop up, and from that menu, hover over the option called New. Another menu will appear, and from here, click on Shortcut. Now you'll see a small window asking for the location of the item. In this box, type or paste the URL exactly: https://loop.cloud.microsoft/. This is the link that will open Microsoft Loop. After you've entered it, click Next. On the next screen, it'll ask you to name your shortcut. Go ahead and type Microsoft Loop so it's easy to recognize later. Once you've named it, click Finish. And that's it. You've just created a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Loop. Now, whenever you want to use it, all you have to do is double-click the shortcut on your desktop and it'll open right up. Give it a try and you'll notice how much smoother your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out.